Shut down, hanging around. God, cause darling, there was nothing.
She responds to everything. We got back from food and I feel so bloated. I didn't even finish my entree. I don't know why I felt so bloated. It was good food. Now we've decided to just hit all the temples. We're pretty close to them. And so I dressed appropriately. Here's my outfit. I haven't worn this. I just keep wearing the same clothes, you know. But this was my designated temple outfit because it covers my shoulders and my legs. So I finally feel cute. Why is your foot in my face?
Where's your face in my foot?
I knew you were gonna say that. I literally. The thing about Thailand is that you're gonna hear horrible covers of famous pop songs in restaurants. You're not gonna hear the original ever. Oh.
That didn't end up going too well. I need to get them in the middle more.
I'm not really
Maybe
seeing
that's
your vision.
maybe that's too fast.
Nice.
There we go.
That's sick. My turn.
No. Yeah. Oh no, you turned it off.
You turn. Wow, like that. Where did all the motorcycles go? Hey guys, I got the Sony 4K 876. Okay, watch. Let me show. That one's cool. Wait, that's the dog. Oh my god.
I think she's a pro photographer now.
Hey guys, all you have to do is just lower the shutter speed and then follow a moving object. Definitely not a pro videographer. I'm gonna look back at it, it's gonna be like,
Yeah, probably.
why can't you try a little bit? Wait, how about you move now?
Okay.
Those are the worst photos I've ever taken. Okay.
Alright.
Switch. Bruh. The next day we went back to the same restaurant. It was so good at such a good price, and the owner recommended this signature dish for me to try, and it was probably one of the best things I've ever had. And I make it in the cooking class that's coming up later in this video. For the rest of the day we were just seeing temple to temple, lots of walking. They're all so stunning. It did start to feel like I was seeing the same thing after a little bit, but I can't deny it that everything is so beautifully made, and people can go inside and pray. And there were these monks that looked so real, but they were just sculpted. But it's insane how accurate it was to every last detail. Even some had glasses on and wrinkles. Then we went to grab some drinks at a cafe. We were sweating. So we had 2 rounds of these sodas and I got a matcha. Matcha taste. Soda taste. Better? This is yours.
Oh, it's tiny. It's
I know.
way smaller than I thought. That was pretty good.
Yeah, it does. I tried the passion fruit, whatever it is. See, if it was actually good coffee, it wouldn't taste like dirt without sugar, but bro, all I'm ever doing on the vlog is eating. All we did here is go to temples and eat. We're going to a cooking class. Okay, I 110% recommend you take a cooking class if you're visiting Thailand, or really anywhere for that matter. It allowed us to see what we've been eating because we've been ordering all this at restaurants, but I made a chicken pad thai, cow soy, hot and sour soup, and a mango sticky rice for dessert. I literally made all of that in like an hour and a half. It was amazing and it tasted so good. It actually tasted, I'm not kidding, so good, and I made it. So I felt even more proud eating it. We got to wear these very cute aprons and hats. I felt really cool in it. And then instructor took us on a little garden tour and showed all the special things that people use in Thai food.
Do you like coriander? Yeah? Oh, you can smell.
And also the place itself was really beautiful. This entire garden, the chickens, all the herbs and plants, everything is so beautiful.
Do you have a chicken at home?
No.
Used to
No?
have chickens, yeah.
Huh, you do?
Used to have chickens
Used to have
years ago.
chicken.
Yeah, amazing. Fresh
How
eggs.
many?
We had 4.
And we're cooking in these little hubs and everything's laid out for you. They have all the ingredients for
You put
you.
this in your paste, curry paste. A nice color. The taste, the smell is totally different from the normal ginger.
It's frozen.
Oh yeah, this
Only
one?
been frozen. Is it quite easy to grow?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We just got a little garden tour and now we're gonna actually cook the dishes. They even made it easier, and I think they already cooked the noodles beforehand, so we didn't have to wait for that. So everything is really efficient too, and you're eating all these as you go, so you make the first thing, you eat it, and so on. So enjoy the next few minutes of me cooking. The only thing I didn't really film was the pad thai because we had to make it really fast, but I really enjoy looking back on this footage. It's very satisfying.
Free, you put the with one hand and then smash Now let's make soup.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick
And next tomato, you can cut it into 4 pieces.
I'll be there.
Separate it.
Girl, let me show
Thai cooking is very
you're
easy.
my one
Simple.
and only.
Chili,
Like I
depends on
told
how
you.
spicy you like. You can do 1 or 2. Take the stem off. You don't need the stem.
And if
You
you
can
get
smash
blue,
them with
I
the back
got
of the wooden
loving
spoon.
for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I'll
Now look at me, okay? First you can command them in Thai language. Hold. Second in English. Open your mouth. Thai. Good.
Out here in the elephant sanctuary. Dude just put my hat on with his trunk. Extraordinary.